Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We're at the lot. Today's gonna be an epic day, so let's go and get into it. We got the YZ125. It's gonna be lit. Bro, homie just went down over here. Hey, you got a pump by any chance?
A what?
A pump, like a bike pump?
Bike pump. You got a pump?
No? You got a pump? Oh, let's go.
Yeah, I have burgers, hot dogs, soda, water, whatever you guys want out here.
Bet. This is a close-up of homie's quad. As you can see, like, it's fully custom. In the radiators, custom. The wheels, bro. It's an 85.
Springs removed, taken apart.
It's just a whole custom bike, right?
Everything.
Yeah.
All the bolts cost me like $600.
Damn.
And it's reflective. Everything's reflective. When you shine at nighttime, our rims glow, everything.
Like, it's like when the lights shine on it, it reflects. What the? Yeah, that's sick as hell. I bet like videos at night are crazy. Look.
He told me, yo, your calipers are burning. I said, there's no fucking calipers on a 3-wheel. My shit's right there.
Yeah.
Even my brake insert pads are powder coated.
Damn.
Everything to this thing.
Hey, we got some more two. That's what I'm talking about. We got two strokes out here. You already know today's gonna be a sick day. I love when the two strokes come out because I got freaking free smoke for every two-stroke rider. We got Tater in the building. Yes, sir! Are you kidding me? What? You're insane, bro. You went for the left side grab. That's gnarly, bro. Is that going on anymore?
Nah, bro. This shit got hot.
The cops in? No, what?
Yeah.
I'm not moving back then. Okay. Try that. Oh God. Homie doing doubles. Yes, sir. Killing it. Bro, it looks like she's fallen. She's fallen from doing doubles before, definitely on her knee. 100%. Let's go! Hey, cruising on the bikes, I see. What's good, my dude? Bah! Yeah, bro, this is the lot vibes, bro. Straight lot bowling. It's pretty chill. Calm day. Oh my gosh. Woo, everyone just popping up, bro. What's good, bro? Hey. What is that, 100? KX?
85.
Oh, it's 85? You got some wheelies on it?
Huh?
You got wheelies? Let's go! Oh, we're coming in hot. See, it's already dropping some rain out here in Florida. But homie on the KX85. Ooh, okay. A little Tuski. How long you been riding for?
Couple months.
Dude, you're killing it. For real, that's dope. Of course, bro. Alright, two smoke. I don't know if y'all can notice, but it's raining right now. But we're Florida boys, that's what we do. Rain or shine, we out here. Like, bro, it looks clear, and for some reason it still rains. It's like, what the hell? Let's go. He lost it! He was trying to give me the smoke and he lost it on the throttle. That's what happens when you try to get MotoBroo smoke. Your bike just malfunctions. That's a clean YZ. I love the all blue. Let's go. You gotta keep that black wheel up. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Bro, look, it's raining again. Damn Florida. Let's go.
I watched the video, bro.
Thank you, bro. I seen you on the DRZ. I was like, yes, go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Yes, sir. Swag that head. I take back my old statement because he's riding a Honda too, so like, oh my, that's the guy I've been teaching, dude. You're going too crazy, bro. You need to calm down. If you watch this video, you need to calm down, sir. Woo! That thing is crispy. Crispy, man. What you doing, bro? You trying to take me out, bro? God damn. What?
That's what you told me.
Alright. Let's see it. Let's go. Bro, look at homie. He's a completely different rider after I gave him a couple little tips. That's awesome. My headset broke. On the Banshee today. Yes, sir. Bro, he's always wearing sandals, bro. Homie always wearing sandals. It's crazy. Let's go. Okay, cushioning out here. Yes, sir. God damn. Homie hauling, dude. MotoBroo.
I'm on it.
Yeah.
You got that auto tune right.
Say what?
You got that tune right.
Thank you, bro.
Hey, bro, how you do that so good?
Just be high in the gear.
Yeah, and get that up. I think I need a new clutch cable. I think that's what's holding me up.
Yes.
You hear what I mean?
Yeah, I think you need to go a little higher in the gear.
A little higher?
Yeah. What's good?
I just seen you vlog the other day, bro.
Oh, you saw the video?
Yeah.
Hey, you like it?
Hell yeah, that's some
Thank you. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a lot. Remember, we got merch in the description down below. We posted bangers. We got the shredders over here. Shout out everyone here shredding. I love you, gang. Until next time. Peace.